Good morning students. Let us start with English grammar lesson number 23, punctuation and uses of capital letters. Today we are going to solve worksheet exercise 1. Exercise 1. Punctuate the following sentences. First one, we had a great time in France. The kids really enjoyed it. So here W for we will be written in a capital letter. Had a great time in, F for France will be written in a capital letter. Then hyphen, the kids really enjoyed it. And after that you have to put full stop. Second, some people work best in the mornings, others do better in the evening. So here, as for some will be written in a capital letter. Some people work best in the mornings, and then after semicolon, others do better in the evenings, and then after you have to put full stop. Third, what are you doing next weekend? So here W for what will be written in a capital letter. Are you doing next weekend? And then after you have to put question mark. Fourth, mother had to go into hospital. She had heart problems. So here M for mother will be written in a capital letter. Had to go into hospital. Then after colon, she had heart problems. And then after you have to put full stop. Did you understand why I was upset? So here D for did will be written in a capital letter. Did you understand why? And then I will be written in a capital letter. Was upset. And then after you have to put question mark. Sixth, it is a fine idea. Let us hope that it is going to work. So here I for it will be written in a capital letter. It is a fine idea. Then after semicolon, let us hope that it is going to work, and then after you have to put full stop. 7. We will be arriving on Monday morning, at least I think so. So here W for we will be written in a capital letter. Will be arriving on, M for Monday will be written in a capital letter. Morning, and then after hyphen, at least, then after comma, short pause, I think so, and then after you have to put full stop. 8. A textbook can be a wall between teacher and class. So here A will be written in a capital letter. A textbook can be a, then single inverted comma wall, then single inverted comma closed between teacher and class, and then after you have to put full stop. 9. The girl's father sat in a corner. So here T for the will be written in a capital letter. Girls. So here girl, then after apostrophe S, girl's father sat in a corner, and then after you have to put full stop. 10. In the words of Murphy's law, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So here I for in will be written in a capital letter. The words of Murphy's law. So here Murphy's, so here after Murphy you have to put apostrophe S. Murphy's, and here M for Murphy and law. L for law will be written in a capital letter. Murphy's law, then after colon, then single inverted comma open. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong, and then after you have to put full stop and then single inverted comma close. Hope students you have understood worksheet exercise 1. Thank you.